What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing question 876, middle of linked list in LeetCode. So let's go ahead and get started. First, guys, I do actually want to say go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like, comment. It really does go a long way, and I appreciate all the support. So now let's go ahead and get going. So given the head of a singly linked list, return the middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. All right, so example 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle is going to be 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Output's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7 because the values are 3, 4. Okay. Alrighty. So, just initially looking at this, I think the best way to solve this problem would would be to do the tortoise and the hare, I think it's called, algorithm, where we're gonna have 2 pointers. One's gonna be slow, so it's just gonna increase by 1 node at a time, while the other one's gonna be called fast. That one's gonna be increasing by 2 nodes at a time. And once the um, fast counter or pointer reaches the end, we'll go ahead and just return wherever the slow counter is at, and that should end up in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. So see here, I'm gonna make sure you guys can see this all. Um, slow pointer, slow equals head, and then they're both going to equal head because they're both starting at the first node. So fast pointer equals fast equals head. Um, I guess I could just do this. So let's just make it look a little bit better. So fast equals head. Slow and fast pointers. Okay. And then we want this to go until fast and fast dot next are not null. So while fast slow equals slow next, and then move one node at a time. And then move fast 2 nodes at a time. Okay. And then so fast is going to equal fast dot next. So this is moving 2 nodes at a time. So for example, on this one, it would be slow is going from 1 to 2, and then fast is going from 1 to 3, and then again, slow is going from 2 to 3, while fast is going to be from 3 to 5, and then we should end up at 3. And then so once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and return slow. So return slow. Let's say return middle of linked list. Okay. So let's go ahead and run that. Perfect. Got the right output. Let's go ahead and see if it works for all the test cases. Perfect. And a great runtime. So let's go ahead and post this. I don't know how to spell tortoise, so bear with me. Tortoise, the hare. And there's no way. I'm just going to say fast, slow. Well, there you guys have it. Today was a quick one, but that can be tricky if we've never seen that algorithm before. Um, so, guys, go ahead. Let me know if you liked my solution, if there is an even better way to do that solution. Um, Maybe there's a better way to make my code or make it look a little better. Regardless, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell to stay updated with my journey to become an elite code master. And with that, guys, have a great one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.